Devastation has swept across the nation as powerful storms wreak havoc on 7 states in the South and Midwest. A formidable cocktail of weather phenomena, tornadoes, wildfires, and dust storms has exacted a heavy toll on our landscapes and communities. Homes have been reduced to rubble, lives uprooted, and the very fabric of our towns and cities scarred by the fury of Mother Nature. This isn't just a storm, it's a battle against the elements, and the devastation is far-reaching and deeply felt. With at least 39 lives tragically lost, the impact of these storms is profoundly felt. The storms have left a trail of destruction across Mississippi, Alabama, Arkansas, Missouri, Oklahoma, Kansas, and Texas. Mississippi, Alabama, and Arkansas bore the brunt of violent tornadoes, while wildfires and high winds wreaked havoc in Oklahoma. The storms claimed at least 39 lives across these 7 states, wiping out homes and displacing countless residents. Missouri reported the highest number of deaths, painting a chilling picture of the storm's ferocity. The severe weather didn't spare Kansas and Texas either, where dust storms added to the widespread destruction. These 7 states are now grappling with the aftermath of this natural disaster. Behind these numbers are real people, real lives upended by the fury of nature. Consider the Johnsons in Arkansas, who lost their home to a tornado, or the Thompsons in Oklahoma, where wildfires turned their cherished family farm into ashes. In Mississippi, a dust storm claimed the life of young Emily Davis, a high school athlete with dreams of going to college. Each of these individuals, these families, represent the human face of this natural disaster. Their lives, like so many others, have been irrevocably altered by these storms. These stories represent just a fraction of the lives forever changed by these devastating storms. In the wake of the storms, communities are coming together in an inspiring display of resilience and solidarity. The aftermath has seen a surge of recovery efforts, with rescue operations tirelessly working to bring safety and stability back to the affected areas. Cleanup and rebuilding initiatives are underway, a testament to the unwavering determination of these communities. Crucial support has been pledged by President Trump and state governors, mobilizing a wealth of resources to assist in these efforts. As we navigate this challenging time, let's remember that it's in these moments of hardship that we often see the true strength of community. In the face of adversity, the spirit of community shines brightly, offering hope amidst the devastation. Stay ahead of the curve with your daily dose of news. Subscribe now and never miss a beat.